Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, your one-stop place to improve English in a fun and easy way. In today's video, we're going to practice simple English questions and answers on everyday topics like hometown, hobbies, school, and daily life. These are common topics in English-speaking tests and conversations, so make sure you listen carefully and repeat after me. Speak with me, pause when needed, and try to give your own answers too. The more you practice, the better your English will get. Ready? Let's begin.
What is pollution? Pollution means making the environment dirty. It harms air, water, and land. What are the main types of pollution? The main types are air pollution, water pollution, and noise pollution. All are harmful to living beings. What causes pollution? Factories, vehicles, and waste cause pollution. Cutting trees also increases pollution. How does air pollution affect us? Air pollution causes breathing problems. It also harms our health. How does water pollution affect life? Water pollution kills fish and plants. Dirty water is unsafe to drink. Why is pollution a serious problem? Pollution damages nature and health. It affects future generations. How can we reduce pollution? We can plant trees and reduce waste. Using public transport also helps. What is noise pollution? Noise pollution means too much loud sound. It causes stress and headache. How does pollution affect animals? Pollution destroys animal homes. Many animals get sick or die. Why should we control pollution? We should control pollution to protect the earth. A clean environment means a healthy life.
Great job, everyone. You did amazing practice today. Remember, learning English is all about daily speaking. So, try answering these questions about your own life again after this video. You can even comment your answers below. I love reading them. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more English practice videos every week. Keep learning, keep smiling, and I'll see you in the next video.